Five fundamentals for visual design. So first of all, what is visual design? Visual design is this that people like or dislike. This contrast. So contrast means visual differences between elements. We can emphasize the important element. So how we can use the contrast? So there are few options like color. So we can adjust or change the color, size. We can change the size like small or bigger according importance. Shape, we can use different shape that get user attention. Typography, so through the typography we can select the font family, font size, styles, line height, etc. Spacing, spacing used to create gap between elements. How contrast is help for better visual design? So it helps to improve the readability, it get the user attention, it follow the visual hierarchy, and it also help for better accessibility. And is balance. Balance means distribution visual elements eventually across the layout. There are two type of balance. First, symmetrical balance, in which we can adjust both sides the same amount of elements. Second, asymmetrical balance, where we can add one side heavy elements and second side we can keep less or no elements. So white space is the gap between elements. Benefits, so it makes the sentence easy to read, it removes the clutters, and our design looks elegant. Fourth is hierarchy. Visual hierarchy is the arrangement of element in a way that guide user to see the information in correct order. Visual hierarchy created by using size, color, contrast, spacing, and position. Guide user attention, improve conversion, and make content easy to scan. So first is proximity. So proximity is an object keep too close to each other so that user can relate to them. Similarity, so we keep the same type of element close together so that user can see them as a group. So human eye flow through the lines, curves, or path. So we create or follow steps that help user to complete the task. The ground, so users separate the layouts like foreground and background. So like figure is our main object and ground as a background.